Hi everyone! Welcome again sa aking channel. For this video ay magsasagot tayo ng integrals of trigonometric function that will involve secant squared x dx. Ang ating example number 9 is, what is the integral of tangent squared x with respect to x? Kung mapapansin natin, wala tayong integration rule para sa tangent x na naka-squared or tangent squared x. What we're going to do is isi-simplify natin to sa trigonometric functions na fit sa ating integration rule. Gagamit ulit tayo ng trigonometric identities. Matatandaan na base sa ating trigo identities, ang 1 plus tangent squared x is equal to secant squared x. Kung i-derive natin itong formula para makuha yung tangent squared x, itatranspose natin yung 1. Kaya ang tangent squared x is equivalent to secant squared x minus 1. So papalitan ngayon natin yung ating given ng the integral of secant squared x minus 1 with respect to x. So this time, meron na tayong functions na fit sa ating integration rule. Remember na meron tayong integration rule para sa secant squared x. The integral of secant squared x is tangent x, while yung integral of 1 is a constant number using the constant multiple rule, which is madali lang, the answer is x. So bago natin i-apply yung mga integration rule is i-separate muna natin yung kanilang integrals kasi ito ay sum and or difference ng dalawang function. So ito ay magiging integral of secant squared x with respect to x minus the integral of 1 with respect to x. So, ang secant squared x, ang kanyang integral is tangent x. While ang 1, ang kanyang integral ay 1x or x na lang. Kaya ang final answer natin is tangent x minus x plus c.